So today, Ted and I are going on a super easy hike up to the Crystal Bay Fire Lookout. I'm too slow. That's a switch. These smell really good. Okay, here's the real deal. Ted, after something like 26 years of
thanks, Dan.
not backpacking, has agreed to go on an overnight trip. As long as it's easy, one night in the wilderness, he'll do it. Right? So, one of the reasons we're hiking today is we got to get him walking, because we got to get him prepared for 6 miles in with weight on his back. How much longer, he asks. Just around the bend. There's the Instagram spot. How far have we gone?
Look, tell.
Tell me.
Look, it says garage door.
Oh, so garage door is closed. That's so cool, Ted.
I can open it from here.
Don't open the garage door. The bears will come in. Almost there.
Okay.
Oh, it's the nature trail. Let's go. This is where all the views are. Okay, so when you get to the top of the hill, there's this little nature trail. One goes left toward the lake where all the views are, and there's benches and picnic tables, and the other trail goes on the right where it's more woodsy and fewer views. Oh my gosh, I can't read the cards anymore.
Oh well.
Oh cutie, sit on the bench, because that's what you do here. Fine, I'll sit on the bench.
Are we eating here?
No.
Oh.
We're just panning.
Panting, yes.
Panning, because you know I love to pan.
Panning and panting.
Such pretty views. Don't worry, you'll get your food. Oh yeah, here we go. So we got to the spot where there's a couple picnic tables, and Ted found one with a view. So let's have lunch. Okay, so we finished our little picnic lunch with the great lake view, and now we're going to continue up the path to the highest point where the big view is. So there actually isn't a fire lookout here anymore. It was decommissioned years ago and taken down. So what we're gonna see is basically this amazing viewpoint. That's where the fire lookout used to be. How are the bathrooms?
Why don't you film them?
I think I will. These were just cleaned, so they should be pretty good. Not too fresh. I'm ready to move on. I think because they had higher tech ways of tracking forest fires and they didn't need this one anymore. It's Kings Beach. Now I gotta do us doing a selfie. Okay. There we go. But the camera can be in the selfie. So we hiked 0.67 miles up from the car, and we are at 7,000 feet up. We're on our way back. It's a cute little hike. Oh, but there's a little nature trail on that side that we should take. No, but we have.
No, cute.
But there's a nature trail.
No, I don't want to.
But it's
your
cute.
Nature trail on the right.
Yeah, but it's.
Don't do this to me.
Okay, I guess we're going back. I don't know if I'm going to get you out on the trail, Ted, for real. I mean, you're going to have to walk 6 miles with weight on your back. Can you do it?
No.
find out. Hold my hand.
This is kidding.
Hold my hand. Oh, that's so hard. Wait, here's how you do it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's make it even more embarrassing. Hold on. He's holding my hand.
Help me, help me, help me, help me.